Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors Adventures. Day after shot, man, I'm pumped, all rejuvenated to start more video productions. I received a bolt carrier group from Odin. It's an awesome bolt. We'll go ahead and look at some of the details on it. The Odin 223 Black Nitride Bolt Carrier Group. Bolt Carrier Group fits AR-15 M4 compatible style rifles. 223, 556, 300 blackout. Tech specs, mil-spec dimensions. Bolt carrier group material, case hardened 8620. Steel finish, black nitride. This advanced low friction coating minimizes the need for lubricants. Gas key, 4130 steel attached with grade 8 hardware and properly staked into a milled valley to ensure proper positioning. Cam pin, hardened 4340 cam pin. Firing pin, mil-spec firing pin made of 8740 steel. Centerless ground and hard chromed coated. Bolt assembly, the bolt is true mil-spec dimension and external surfaces are CNC ground after heat treat for a precision fit. Bolt material, case hardened 9310 steel. Finish, all bolt components black nitride. Extractor 4340 steel mil-spec. Extractor spring and O-ring combination. MPI magnetic particle inspected. HPT high pressure test. Made in the USA. Alright folks, it's just a simple matter of changing out my old bolt carrier group, put in the new Odin bolt carrier group. Just like that. Get my tensioning pin back in. So hopefully this is it for my 300 blackout pistol build. Got the Odin bolt carrier group. Awesome product. Can't wait to take out this 300 blackout pistol coyote hunting. That's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors Adventures. Hope you all enjoyed the video.